Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, June the 19th. Yes, June the 19th, 2021. We have here in this newspaper, the daily newspaper, two regular Sudokus. Well, it's actually one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper, there's also a quintuplet, and this quintuplet, there are five Sudokus merged into a whole one. Yes, and I've told you earlier I won't do them anymore because it's taking me too long to solve this. More than an hour I will solve. I need to more than an hour to solve. So I've decided to drop the quintuplets. But I leave a link. I always leave a link with the Saturday edition. So below here with the Sudoku Medium, you can find the link of the quintuplet. Yes, if you like the quintuplets, just go below and find the link. All right. This one, the Sudoku Medium, will be number 2971. Yes, 71. All right. In one of these days, we will hit the 3,000 mark. Yes. I've then uploaded 3,000 puzzles. A lot. Anyway, let's continue with this one because this one, 2971, I believe I've already counted 26 printed digits. And for 26 printed digits, if you compare what the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. Well, I have not seen the newspaper, but I believe in the newspaper there is also an additional with 7 extra Sudokus. And for a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, between the 20 and the 30 minutes. And for the 1 star, I need, for the 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan a puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Let me see the number. Which number shall I pick? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Yeah. How about the number? We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next the only place for the 7 should be there. Then in the last column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. There 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. Well, another 7 there, no 7 here. Here 7, no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? We have here 4 missing numbers now in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. The 9 in this row. The 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the third row. So no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have a 4 in the first row. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between the second row. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square, here we have 8, 1 and 8. The other pair should be the numbers 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. All right. Yeah. How about the number? Those 2 numbers in this column. We have here 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And no. Those 2 boxes, 7 and a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 in this box. The 3 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. All right. How about these 2 numbers? No. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. All right. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and the 6. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 5 again. 6 and 5. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. Now I have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column. Those numbers are the 4 and the 5. The 4 and the 5 are missing. 4 and the 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 4, 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Alright, 1 number left in the middle row for the number 5. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Yes. Yeah, because I've told you 15 to 20 minutes I need, and I've solved this in 40 minutes, so I'm very, very pleased with the time. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, I think it's a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the mediums, Sudoku Medium, playlist for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the tectonics and the binaries, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all. Subscribe and you will see them, all those playlists. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Saturday, fantastic Saturday. Have a great weekend, and we will meet again very soon with the extra Sudokus. So see you then. Bye bye for now.